Oh, come on.
It's the worst.
In the process of removing the engine, we got an oil leak from like the timing chain housing, the base of it where it meets the engine cases. So to do that, you take the engine down and then stripping off the whole head, just take the guide off. We're also going to do some coolant hose pinning. We got some stuff there. It's going to be an involved process. Somebody made some custom threads into that. Oh, come on.
It's the worst.
Make sure my half shaft clears. You see anything crunching? Ready? Yeah, it's hanging from the ceiling. I feel like my front isn't dropping. You know what? I gotta disconnect my intercoolers because I think they stay up.